Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, we're making some shrimp scampi. This is just my take on this popular recipe and I'm sure you all are going to love it. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to put together. We're going to start this with our clean and deveined shrimp. And to that I'm seasoning with salt, lemon pepper, and Cajun seasoning. I'm adding in a drizzle of avocado oil and I'm going to mix this and set aside to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next we're going to put up a skillet. I'll link this for you all. It's the Our Place pan in heat. Add in some oil on a medium-high heat and we're going to sear off the shrimp. You don't want to cook it all the way because it will continue to cook in the end of the recipe. So once it gets a beautiful color and it's charred on the outside, we'll remove it and set it aside. Now you feel free to use lobster also if you wanted, or you can even use fish. In goes a tablespoon of butter, or you can use margarine depending on what you like. In goes minced garlic and fine thyme, along with some finely chopped onions and baby tomatoes. Now we're just going to let this saute here for about a minute until the tomatoes start to break down. Now we're going to go in with our pinot grigio, or our dry white wine. You want to use something dry and not sweet. And then we'll also go in with some lemon juice. And we're going to go in with our heavy cream, which is just that little secret of mine that gives this sauce its unique taste and flavor. Now I'm going to add in some pasta water, so make sure and reserve some pasta water when you're cooking your pasta, and we're going to add that in. It's going to help bring everything together. So I boiled my spaghetti shy of al dente because it's going to continue to cook in this sauce. Add in your shrimp and now you're going to allow this to cook for an additional 2 minutes and then it will be ready. You want to garnish with some flat leaf Italian parsley. You could add some more Cajun seasoning on here if you wanted to. Taste and adjust your salt. And after it's cooked for that extra 2 minutes, it's then ready to be served. That sauce is going to cook the pasta further. It's going to coat the pasta. And it's just simply delicious. And if you guys wanted to omit the tomatoes, of course feel free to. This is just my take on this popular recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video.